Hello friends. Welcome to Current Affairs Review. Topic for today's video is financial inclusivity and agricultural finance in India. The Green Revolution has aided in overcoming the productivity shortages, but small and marginal farmers suffered a great extent to avail finances for the resources. Even for obtaining loan from financial institution or money lenders, they have to go through complex procedures. Hence, the mass exclusion of the people in India from the formal banking system had disrupted the nation's economic growth. In this backdrop, RBI, in 2004 created Khan Committee, which released a report discussing the rural credit and microfinance in India. A formal announcement was made by Government of India that investments in agricultural projects to be made and credit to finance the farmers is to be increased. Financial inclusion was implemented in India in 2005, and the Government of India established the Committee on Financial Inclusion in 2006. In 2013, Nasikhet More Committee or Committee on Comprehensive Financial Services was established for small businesses and low-income households. Financial inclusion as defined in its report states the process of ensuring access to financial services and adequate credit needed by the vulnerable groups at an affordable cost. It is helpful for the overall economic growth and development, which is fairly distributed amongst the people of the society, creating opportunity for all. Elimination of barriers like access to the bank's secure services, unable to furnish proper government documents, or maybe uneducated, etc., is the major aim of financial inclusion. Developing a formal and systematic credit system for the financially weaker people is another aim of financial inclusion. Government and policy makers came up with specific initiatives for promotion of financial inclusion like Kisan credit cards, linking self-help groups with banks, etc. Even RBI's project Financial Literacy aims to provide knowledge about the banking concepts and central banks to various target groups. Also, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana have modified the way to access the government services. Lastly, flagship schemes like Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Stand Up India scheme, etc. also promoted financial inclusion. Microfinance is an economic channel designed to facilitate financial inclusion and help the financially underprivileged. It is a broad concept that involves the extension of small loans and certain financial services to support low-income groups. Microfinance can help to achieve national policies such as poverty reduction, women empowerment, assistance to vulnerable groups, and improvement in living standards. Different financial service providers are NGOs, cooperatives, self-help groups, credit unions, etc. Seva or Self-Employed Women's Association Bank was the first microfinance institution in India established in 1974. Microfinance institutions provide small loans or micro loans which is below 1 lakh rupees. Hence, the economically excluded communities are assisted in achieving an increased level of asset creation and provide them income security. Also, the poor rural and urban women who wish to become financially independent but lack funds to start a new business can avail microfinance. Depending upon agricultural credit access, it will help in safeguarding food security and practicing smart agriculture that will pave in achieving SDG Agenda of 2030. Although market rates of interest charged by microfinance and commercial banks are quite high, hence, innovative lending products to necessitate farmers could be incorporated. Underprivileged farmers' perceptions of low-quality credit assets as posing large risks must shift in order to appreciate the untapped credit market. Hence, state governments should work in close coordination with the banks to ensure that formal credit is reached to all financially excluded farmers. Lastly, if simplification is done on the credit mechanism, then the farmers would be more productive, ultimately leading to overall development. Download material for this issue from our website. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.